Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best queen comforter set on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Bedsure Queen Comforter Set. The Bedsure Queen Comforter Set is a great choice for those looking to add a touch of sophistication and coziness to their sleeping space. The pinch-pleated design and geometric pattern offer an elegant addition to any bedroom, and the finely brushed microfiber cover provides incomparable softness. Perfect for all seasons, the carefully tested microfiber blend will keep you warm without feeling weighty. What we like about it: soft and lightweight. Fits mattresses up to 14 inches deep. Comes in a variety of colors. Shrink and fade resistant. What we don't like about it: not suitable for extremely cold temperatures. Number 2. Basic Beyond Queen Comforter Set. The Basic Beyond Queen Comforter Set makes a great addition to any bedroom, any time of the year. It includes a queen-sized comforter with 2 pillow shams that have a 2-inch flange and an invisible zipper closure. The brushed microfiber fabric is incredibly soft and comfortable, while the high-quality polyester fill offers lightweight yet warm comfort all year long. This set features a reversible design, which makes it easy to change the look of your bedroom anytime you want. One side is solid black, and the other is solid red for a vibrant and eye-catching look. What we like about it: breathable and lightweight materials. The reversible design adds versatility. Suitable for all seasons. Soft and fluffy. What we don't like about it: some colors may fade slightly over time. Number 3. Janza Queen Comforter Set. The Janza Queen Comforter Set is an ideal choice for all-season use due to its premium quality materials and unique pattern. Constructed with brushed microfiber material and soft inner fill, this comforter set is lightweight yet durable, as well as smooth and fluffy. It can greatly improve your sleep quality, leaving you feeling well-rested and refreshed when you wake up. This set features a double-sided design with an elegant black botanical print against a crisp white background. What we like about it: no duvet cover is needed. Ideal for year-round use. Beautiful floral print. Soft against the skin. What we don't like about it: tends to wrinkle. Number 4. Cozilux Queen Comforter Set. The Cozilux Queen Comforter Set is an ideal choice for those looking for a cozy and comfortable sleeping experience. This luxurious bedding set comes complete with a comforter, 2 pillow shams, 2 pillowcases, a flat sheet, and a fitted sheet. Its 100% microfiber fill makes it lightweight and ideal for year-round use. The comforter has solid stitching that enhances its durability, so you don't have to worry about bunching or other issues. The fitted sheet has deep pockets to accommodate high-profile mattresses and stays put no matter how much you move around in bed. What we like about it: suitable for all-season use. Fluffs up nicely. Breathable, lightweight material. Easy to maintain. What we don't like about it: may pill slightly over time. Number 5. Downcool Queen Comforter Set. This Queen Comforter Set is the perfect bedding set for people who are looking for an all-season comforter that's both comfortable and luxurious. The comforter is made from high-quality microfiber polyester fabric that's soft and breathable, providing a comfortable sleep experience throughout every season of the year. It's constructed without harmful dyes or materials, making it hypoallergenic and safe for sleepers who have allergies or sensitive skin. What we like about it: won't trigger allergies or cause skin irritation. High-quality, lightweight materials. Machine washable and dryable. Available in a range of colors. What we don't like about it: doesn't come with sheets. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.